Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making puppy slime. Here's what it's gonna look like. Oh goodness, it's heavy. Yours is not gonna be this big. No. Mine's only this big because I combined all my slimes together. Oh boy, it's heavy. Lock. Okay, so let's get started with the video. You'll need Elmer's glue. You'll need foamy shaving cream. Make sure it's foamy because if it's not foamy, it won't be puppy slime. It'll just be normal slime. And you'll need Tide. You'll also need a paint, or you can get dye, but food coloring. I like paint because paint gets on your hands more, but it cleans off way better than food coloring does. I also got teal. Okay, so you'll also need a bowl, and you'll need a mixing tool. So let's get started with the video. I can put you down. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what you do is pour in the glue. Okay, now that the glue's in there, you get shaving foam. You shake it up with it, and then you put some in there. I don't know if you like the sounds of all the stuff going in there, so I'm not going to talk when I put the stuff in. For now. Alright, so now what you do is mix that all up. Okay, so when it's all mixed up, it should look like marshmallow fluff, kind of. And if you don't know what marshmallow fluff is, like, really, like, thick, but it's also, like, no, it's more like thick, but it's, like, really sticky. It looks like it, but it does not act like it at all, because it's really droopy. But it looks like it in the container. So, if it does not look a little bit, tiny bit like marshmallow fluff, then I would add a little bit more of one thing that it looks like it needs. Okay. So now what you're going to do is add the Tide. So I just put the Tide in the lid so it'll be easier because I don't want to pour this entire thing on there just in case I pour too much. So, let's do this. Let's put you down. Alright, so you just pour a little bit at a time. Then you start mixing, and it should start coming together. Then you need to add, like, a big drop after that. Just add a little bit at first, so you can get, like, kind of used to it. And I also got some gloves, because my hands are, like, really dry, and I do not want them touching it with the Tide. So I'm going to put my gloves on now, just in case I have to put my hands in there sometime soon. Okay, so whenever yours starts to get all mixed up, it should be like not even like coming up unless you get it all. So now what you gotta do is dip your fingers in the Tide. It's kind of weird feeling with gloves. And now you stick your hand in there and you just start kneading it. Oops, pull the glove up. Together. Then you dip your other hand in Tide. And you dip both hands in there and you start kneading. Okay, so I already took it out and started kneading it a bit because my gloves started falling off as soon as I picked it up. So I already changed my pair of gloves. And I put some more Tide in it so it didn't stick as bad to my gloves. And so this is the slime for now. We're soon going to add color. But you don't have to add color because it would just want it to be like a cloud, I guess. And you do not have to use blue Tide. I would like to use clear Tide or white Tide because blue Tide makes it blue. And what if you don't want it blue? So this is the slime. When you think you're finished kneading it, you move the bowl and you put it on your floor. If it's hard floor, if it's soft floor, put it on your table. Then you just start kneading it on your floor. But if it's not done, it would stick completely to your hard floor still, which is still not good. Okay, so now that it's on the floor, you get the paint. And I would take your gloves off to get the paint. And then, actually, I'll use teal. Ugh. And put some teal in there. And after you put the teal in there, you make sure you put your gloves back on first. Unless if you aren't wearing gloves, then you just wait for the next step. Okay, so now that I put my gloves on, you pick it up. You do not want to knead it on your floor. And you start kneading the color in. Mine's starting to become blue. Actually more teal because I picked up teal paint. And as you can see, I'm wearing unicorn slippers. I got them for Christmas. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe at the bottom or leave a like down below. Ow. Okay, so I love that this one makes a popping noise. Listen. Oh, it's not making it now. You'll end up hearing it while I'm squeezing it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so here is the slime. It's really bouncy. Okay. Luckily, I didn't have that much color on it. There's some tide on my floor. Okay, so now I'm just playing with it. This is what it turns out to be. Really scratchy. You can swing it. Woo! Alright. Here's me again. Yay! Okay, so here's the slime. I love this slime. And mine looks kind of like a cloud, sky blue, but you can't see it because of the camera. I need to get a better camera quality. But that's it. And thank you guys for watching, and make sure you leave a comment down below of what you want me to do next time. And if I get the stuff for it, maybe I can do yours. And if you are enjoying my videos, make some slime. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and thanks for watching my channel, and bye guys! See you next time!